Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here something from KukoEDC, the mini titanium circles. So let me get my tiny knife and let's get started. Must hide address. Ouch. Must not stab self. The mini ergo circles. And here's a thank you. It comes with tools. It comes with 4 O-rings, a screw, and a little screwdriver. Alright, I got style 5, so let's see how fantastic this is. Whoa. Let's really see how fantastic this is. Guys. It's blue, it's gold, it's green, it's purple. It's incredible. Oh my god, the screws are anodized. Eat your heart out, Mag Lab. And it can be silent. It's so quiet. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. I don't even care that it doesn't go up fast on the upswing. The downswing is fast enough. $42.33 compared to the Flow, this is stainless steel. $68.50. 50 something. totally different side profile. This one's definitely much easier to push from the side. This one sometimes, because it's so skinny in the middle, it's a little bit difficult, but I still got it. .8 by 27.3 by 12.7. And of course they're the same height and width. But this is 14.5 and the skinniest in the middle is 11.2. I love these X plates, man. These X plates are just so fantastic. And I didn't even know that the screws were anodized. That's so cute, man. I cannot believe how gorgeous this is. This is now one of the most beautiful sliders that I own. I'm lost for words. What are your thoughts, guys? Do you guys prefer titanium or stainless steel? Which design do you like better? Circles or flow? Or do you like that blue candy color more that she put out? There's also a purple one that she put out. Which one do you guys like more? Let me know in the comments. Let's have a little discussion. Alright. It's a short one today, guys, because we already looked at the flow. And then this one's just same internals, different body. Hope you guys are having an awesome time. Being awesome. Being fantastic. And please like and subscribe. It really helps. And I hope to see you in the next video. Alright, guys. See you in the next one. Later.